As per the most recent long-haul gauge, Algorand cost will hit $0.5 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $0.7 by the center of 2026. Algorand will ascend to $1 inside the time of 2029 and $1.5 in 2033. Algorand value expectation 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1.253. Today, Algorand exchanged at $1.68, so the cost diminished by 13% from the outset of the year. The determined Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.54, and the year-to-year change plus 140%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 174%. In 2024, we hope to see $37 per 1 Algorand. In the primary portion of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $0.63. In the last part, the cost would add $0.04 and close the year at $0.67, which is plus 240% to the ongoing cost. The conjecture for later, close to days and months. Monday, Feb $26.20. Tuesday, Feb $27.20. Wednesday, Feb $28.20. Thursday, Feb $29.20. Friday, blemish $1.20. Saturday, blemish $2.21. Sunday, blemish $3.21. Monday, blemish $4.21. Walk $15.22. April $15.27. May $15.31. June $15.35. July $15.38. August $15.41. Algorand expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $0.67 to $1.14, which is up 70%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $0.67, then take off to $1.72 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $0.77. That implies plus 291% from today. Algorand forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $0.14 to $1.67, which is plus 46%. Algorand will begin TT31 at $1.14, then, at that point, take off to $1.21 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $1.18. It is about plus 550% from today. Algorand value forecast 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1.253. Today, Algorand exchanged at $1.2562, so the cost diminished by 31% from the start of the year. The estimated Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $35 and the year-to-year change plus 55%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 124%. In 2024, we hope to see $24 per 1 Algorand. In the main portion of 2025, the Algorand cost will move to $41. In the final part, the cost would add $02 and close the year at $43, which is plus 175% to the ongoing cost. Algorand forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $43 to $71, which is up 65%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $43, then take off to $46 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $49. That implies plus 214% from today. Algorand forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $1.71 to $1.03, which is plus 45%. Algorand will begin 2031 at $1.71, then, at that point, take off to $1.75 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $79. It is about plus 406% from today. 0.152 Algorand value expectation 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1.253. Today, Algorand exchanged at $1.2892, so the cost diminished by 16% from the very outset of the year. The Guaj Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.41, and the year-to-year change plus 82%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 117%. In 2024, we hope to see $32 per 1 Algorand. In the primary portion of 2025, the Algorand cost will drop to $39. In the final part, the cost would add $03 and close the year at $1.42, which is plus 122% to the ongoing cost. Algorand expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $42 to $63, which is up half. Algorand will begin 2026 at $0.42, then take off to $1.46 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $0.43. That implies plus 127% from today. Algorand expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $0.63 to $0.92, which is plus 46%. Algorand will begin 2031 at $0.63 and finish 2031 at $0.63. It is about plus 233% from today. Zwanza 1224. Algorand value forecast 2024-2025. Algorand cost began in 2024 at $1.2253. Today, Algorand exchanged at $1.29, so the cost diminished by 2% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Algorand cost toward the finish of 2024 is $58, and the year-to-year change plus 157%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 163%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.45 per one Algorand. In the main portion of 2025, the Algorand cost will drop to $55. In the final part, the cost would add $04 and close the year at $59, which is plus 167% to the ongoing cost. Algorand forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $59 to $0.90, which is up 53%. Algorand will begin 2026 at $59, then take off to $0.64 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $60. That implies plus 172% from today. Algorand expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $0.90 to $1.33, which is plus 48%. Algorand will begin 2031 at $0.90 and finish 2031 at $0.90. It is about plus 307% from today. 12,150,2023. Algorand value expectation 2023-2024. Algorand cost began in 2023 at $2.27 Today, Algorand exchanged at $0.36, so the cost expanded by 19% from the start of the year. The estimated Algorand cost toward the finish of 2023 is $32, and the year-to-year change plus 87%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 57%. In the main portion of 2024, the Algorand cost will move to $37. In the final part, the cost would add $02 and close the year at $39, which is plus 92% to the ongoing cost. Algorand expectation 2025-2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $0.39 to $0.70, which is up 79%. Algorand will be